Hi, hello friends. I am back in my channel with my new recipe in Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Today I am going to make prawns shami. You would have heard, or if you would have not heard also, I am going to tell you, I am going to explain it to you. What is the meaning of shami? It is known as cutlet in our slang. So today we are going to make prawns cutlet, prawn shami. So for that I have taken all the needed ingredients. I'll tell you how much we have to take. I have taken this bowl full of prawns here. I have boiled with 1 tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of turmeric. That's it. I have not overboiled it. I have not overcooked it. Till the water goes off, I have taken and I have removed this. 1 big onion, large onion we need for that. A small tomato, only a small tomato is needed. I have taken coriander leaves, freshly coriander leaves. I have taken cinnamon sticks. You can see cinnamon sticks. I have taken only 2 or 3 small sizes I have taken, and 2 cloves I have taken, 1 cardamom I have taken, and with this 1 green chili with 2 dry red chilies I have taken here. We need a piece of ginger and 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. And this is a bowl full of fried gram powder. This is fried gram. I have grinded this in the mixer and I have powdered it nicely like this. I have taken a cup of fried grams. I have put it in the mixer jar and made a powder like this. Now these are all the ingredients we are going to use. Now the process is, I'll tell you, we have to boil the onions, tomatoes, coriander, ginger garlic, dry chilies, green chili, the cinnamon, cloves and the cardamom. We are going to boil this in a pan and then we are going to remove it. I'll show you now. Now I have taken one pan. Let this be heated. Now my pan is heated. Without any oil, I am going to put the onions first. I have cut like this. I have cut thick pieces like this. I have not chopped it very finely. I am going to put this in the pan and then dropping the tomatoes. 1 tomato. Now let's add the cinnamon, clove and the cardamom. Then the dry red chilies and the green chili goes in this. I have cut the ginger into fine pieces like this. We are going to put ginger and the garlic in this. And now with this, I am going to add some water, a little bit of water. Now let this come to a boil. Now I have added half a glass of water and half tablespoon of turmeric I am adding into it. Now let this boil for 5 to 10 minutes. In this glass I have taken half a glass of water and now I am going to cover this and cook it. Now to this add some salt also. Before covering, I am adding a small tablespoon of salt. So a small tablespoon only. I have added this and given a nice mix. Put the flame in high, then cover it. Now in between that 5 minutes, I am just removing it and I am adding the coriander leaves which I have kept. Let's add this too and again we will cover it and cook. After 5 minutes, I have took the cover. My ingredients are nicely boiled, but still there is some water. We will keep for another 2 minutes till the water gets absorbed completely. Now look, my ingredients have become very soft. The things that I have used. Now I am transferring it to a mixie jar. We will grind this mixture. I have transferred this in the mixie jar. Now note it, you should not put very hot in this. The ingredients should cool for some time and then only you have to grind this. Now for a minute we will grind this and then we are going to add the prawns into it. Now see, I have grinded this mixture nicely. Then we are going to add the boiled prawns. I am going to add the boiled prawns in this mixture and we are not going to mix this very finely. Note it, we are going to grind it coarsely. Remember, we are going to grind this coarsely. In between we have to stop and then we have to start the machine. Now look at these, I have grinded coarsely. I have not grinded very finely. You see my mixture? It's coarsely grinded. Now we are going to add this mixture in the fried gram powder that I have grinded and kept. To this mixture I am going to add the prawns mixture. Now I have used only a little. This much of powder is left. Don't make the dough very thick. Let be soft. Look at this. Then only the cutlets will be soft and tasty. You can serve this. You can keep this powder in a tight jar. Store it. You can use it for some other thing. Now I have taken one pan. Let it be heated. Till that I'll tell you how to make the shape of the chamois. You have to take a ball size like this. You have to roll it correctly. Then keep it in your palm. Apply some oil. Keep it in your palm and roll it. Then press it. That's it. We will do all these chamois cutlets like this shape and we will keep it in a plate and then we are going to fry this. Roll it, keeping in between your palm, then press it. We will do the rest of this like that. You have to roll like this, then press it. That's it. It's an easy way. The taste will be very good. You would have seen in mutton cutlets, chicken cutlets, but we can make it in fish also and even in prawns we can make. Now look, I have done all this like this. Check for seasoning before rolling it to this shape. Now my pan is also heated. Going to put some oil in this, then fry it up. This pan I am adding some oil. And we will put the prawn cutlets into this pan. Now turn this shami to the other side and put some more oil in that. Put some oil again on top of it. You can deep fry these shamis also. It will be even more tastier. But today I am not deep frying it. I'm just putting some oil, then turning it off. Nice aroma is coming. You can eat it as an evening snack, or else you can eat it in variety rice like vegetable pulao. This is a perfect combination with the vegetable pulao with ghee rice and all the variety rice. You can take this, it will be very good. Now both the sides have been cooked very nicely. Now both the sides have been cooked very nicely. We will remove this off. We will serve it in a plate. Now I have served this in a bowl. Look at my prawn shami cutlets. How good it is. It's a nice golden brown. You can serve this with the mayonnaise and with the sauce. That's a good combination with the prawns cutlets. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Thank you. Bye.